All right, boys. Well, went out and got a new tool grinder for the shop here, and went and picked it up. It was Craigslist deal. Got this bad boy for 150 bucks, and so this is the machine. It's a Dependable machinery. Look at how much debris over the years. Pretty awful. Pretty dirty. But I think it should clean up. Little walnut down there. Had to pay extra for that. This is the table for it. I didn't see any real bad, other than the surface rust, I don't see any real bad, real bad nicks or dings in it. So I thought I should do a little progress video, so got it taken down pretty good. This is kind of what we're looking like. So here's the carriage, and obviously here's where the belt rides, and this is where the grinder wheel goes. But down in here you can see I had to take this apart because this bushing was just loose as could be. So took that apart. Couldn't get an Allen wrench on here underneath it while it was on the machine. And so we'll tighten that up. Otherwise, everything looks good. Like the dovetails, the ways look good. There's no real bad chips in them. I just got to clean them up. All right, so this is the lead screw that drives the carriage, and this is what it looks like. And on this side, the problem is that, let's see if I can show it. That's a brass bearing right there. And those bearings, see if I can do it this way. No, I can't do it that way. They're wallowed out. So those bearings are going to have to get pressed out of this cast piece. Going to have to press both bearing here are going to have to get pressed out, and I'm going to have to make some new ones. All right, so I think it's pretty clear what we're dealing with here now. So you can pretty good look at what's going on. You can see the brass bushing in there, and you can see that it's just completely egg-shaped. And right here, it looks like it's, I first thought it was punched in there, and it may very well be, but actually it may be a roll pin. This side, I think, is actually a little better representation of what I was talking about. I think that right there, that guy right there may be a roll pin. Let me see if I can get it to focus. All right, so it turns out that it is a roll pin, and so right here is the hole, and just punching this sucker out. There it is. Little tiny roll pin. So now I just got to press this bushing out. Just like that. Magic. That's going to be an interesting piece to machine because I'm going to have to machine that slot in there for that roll pin. So that's what it looks like. Maybe you can appreciate that wallerness a little better there. Like an egg. So that cleaned up pretty good. This is the one where the lead screw goes through here. I checked the fit. It's a little loose, but I think it's still within tolerance. I'm going to leave that one be. But these two, and I'm going to do something about this. Not exactly sure how I'm going to tackle that yet, but so you can actually see the graduations on here now. This is I clean the ways up on here, nice and clean. So this floats nice and easily now in and out. Easy rotation, beautiful. And these ways are nice and clean. So it's just going to be cleaning up this bed next. Well, actually, no, next making the parts, the brass bosses for here, and are the brass bearings for there. Then cleaning the bed up. So that's where we're at. Stay tuned for part 2.